This is Samsung's default notification panel. In this video, I will show you how to switch to Samsung's notification panel. First, go to the Google Play Store. Download the Mi Control Center app. Now turn on Dual SIM. Then turn on accessibility. Then turn on notification. This is your new notification panel. You can customize your notification layout. Even you can customize your notification icon color. If you keep your finger on the left side, you will see the messages or notifications of any apps.